Hey everyone, welcome to Skill Camp. Make sure you have your equipment ready and you're on your spot. Let's go to camp. Before we start, let's go over the expectations for Skill Camp. Practice your skills and try your best. Follow along and listen at all times. And never give up. Remember, you can do hard things. And when you hear the camp coach's whistle, that means it's time to stop, look, and listen for the next direction. Here we go. A first-year camper can drop the ball and catch it on their pad while sitting on the ground. A second-year camper can drop the ball on the ground and then pick it up with their pad while on their knees. A third-year camper can drop the ball and then catch it on their pad while they're standing up. A fourth-year camper can roll their ball on the ground and then stop it with their pad. Remember, don't roll it too fast. A fifth-year camper can toss the ball up in the air and then catch it with their pad above their head. A 6th year camper can toss the ball up in the air and then catch it with their pad by their waist. A 7th year camper can toss the ball up in the air and then catch it with their pad between their legs. An 8th year camper can toss the ball up sideways and then catch it. Toss it like a hook shot. A 9th year camper can toss the ball up in the air and then catch it with their pad behind their back. The camp counselors at Skill Camp can throw and catch the ball with their pad while lying down on the ground. And now, presenting the Skill Camp Talent Show. Create your own trick or challenge to perform in the show. Have fun! nice job at Skill Camp today. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for being part of the PhysEd Fit family. Be sure to subscribe. And if you liked this video, hit the like button.